everyone. So what we are going to see here is how to connect the camera to your laptop or any computer and then ultimately controlling it over the mobile app. So here I have a Ubuntu laptop and a camera is connected to it via USB cable, and ultimately my laptop is going to provide the Wi-Fi hotspot to which my mobile app will be connected. So once my mobile is connected here, it can send PTP packets which can be taken by the camera as a command and ultimately perform different operations. So let's see how to configure the servers and all the required things.
So this is my Ubuntu operating system, and what I have downloaded so far is a DQDSLR server. So if you see this is the source file. So there are main four files: communicator.h file, main, and main.h. Now I'm going to use the command G++. You can use GCC also, and main.cpp, communicator.cpp. These are the two files. We need libusb for this, so we have to make sure before compiling this we have a libusb dev installed on the local machine, and then ultimately this is the binary I'm going to build. Just hit enter, and so you can ignore these warnings for now. Yes, my DDA server is ready. Now I can actually run this server. So before running this, I can quickly check whether my USB is working. So if you see, there is a Nikon D7000 connected. Let me show you. So I have disconnected this, connected this. This wire is going back here to my camera. Now what I'm going to show you is I just turned it off on, so the Nikon will be mounted. Now the tricky part here is every time you start the camera, mount the camera, this will be mounted as a image device. We want to mount it using PTP protocol. So I will just unmount it like this. Now if I go and check again, still I will get the camera because my camera is now with PTP protocol, and I will be able to, my DD server will be able to connect to this over PTP. Now let's see how we can run the server. So it's simple. I'm just running the server. It has all syslogs. We can monitor those. I'll just grep for, so I will only get logs which are there from the DD server. Now the second thing is I want to make is a hotspot. So I've already turned on my hotspot here. So if you see, there is no Wi-Fi from outside, but this laptop itself is a hotspot. So this is my app. Before this, I'm going to connect. So this is my home network, but I'm going to connect to the laptop. Now I have already configured this password. You just need to enter the password of your hotspot. Now when I see, this is the DQDSLR app which you can download from the Google App Store. Now it's searching for the server. Now if you see, we got all the logs and the camera is now connected over the USB. If I want to check live, you can see my camera is showing live preview. I can actually focus on it. If I want to capture image, I can capture the image. I can see the preview. So this is how we can connect your camera with laptop, and then ultimately we can control it from your mobile from a certain distance.